Welcome learners for the lecture 9 of a linear algebra. Today we discussing about the maximum linearly independent subset of this form. Okay, what is the definition of this form and how will be depending on this equation. They both of this value for generating to the equation. Let F be the family of a set. A member M of the F is called as a maximum. But if we getting as a only this family considering as a one member, that is a M, only one member, that is a M. This is called as a family and containing no member other than the family of a F. Okay, M is a itself is a member. For example, for considering two equation will be getted as this value. Let F be the family of all subsets of a non-empty set S. Non-empty means they does not getting as a one of this value will be getting non-empty set will be generating. This family F is called as the power of a set S. The set S easily seen to be the maximum element of a M. Means S will be considering that the maximum element of a S for considering this value. Next example will be giving, that is a let F be the family of all finite subsets of an infinite set S. The F has a no maximum element only as considering as a M is a any member of a F and S is an element of the S that is no in the M. Then M is a union of a S is a member of a function F that contain as a M is a proper subset. Why it is called as a M is a proper subset? Because of family will be generating in the all finite subset to considering is the infinite set S. F is a finite subset and S contained as an infinite set. The maximum value generating to the this elements for the M is a union set of the S considering to the form. Next example, for each positive integer n, let a n equals to 1 to n. The collection of set a n is considering to the form c equals to a m, n equals to 1 to considering as a n value is called as a chain. In fact, am is always less than or equals to an for value will be considering to the form of a subset or equals to value. Hence m is a less than or equals to n will be considering to the form. Okay, let us go started as the theorem for depending on the basis of value v. Let v be the vector space and S is the subset of the generating to the v. If beta is a maximum linearly independent subset, will be considering to the form of the S, then beta is the basis for the V. Beta is called as a basis for the V. How it will be? F is a maximum linearly independent subset of S. Because beta is a linearly independent, it will be considering as a S for the subset or equals to considering to the value, that is the span B for considering to the value of this equation. Sometime V is an elements of a S, but V is not elements of a span beta. V is an element of a S. S is called as a subset, but beta is not elements of a V. Hence, that will be implies. This equation implies to the form that is a beta is a union of a V is a linearly independent. It concludes that span S equals to V, considering that a span beta equals to also V to getting as this equation. Okay. A subset of a vector is a basis in this form and true to the independent value of a maximum linearly function. Okay, let us go second theorem. Let S be the linearly independent subset of the V. S is a linearly independent. There exists a maximum linearity independent subset of a V that contain as a S. Okay, same as a theorem will be considering to the form of the value will be generated in this equation. But in this equation, some of the replacement theorem depending on this value. Okay, let FB denote the family of all linearly independent subset of a V that contain as a subset S. In order to show to the function f containing as a maximum element, we containing as a chain of this value exists to the value of this form. Okay, C is called as a chain of this number, that is a an to the form will be generated. Each member of a C is a subset of a V containing to the S. We have S is a subset or equals to U is a subset or equals to V. Means S is depending on the V. We need to the prove only as it is a U is a linearly independent, because U1 to UN is a member of a U and A1 to AN for the scalar quantity will be depending u1 to a1 plus a2 to u2 a3 considering as a u3, then an to un will be generated 0. Means the ui is an element of capital U and I equals to 1 to a. There exists to the chain value of this function. Okay. To ak will be uses. Ui is an element of a ak for I equals to considering as a n, and ak is a linearly independent set. Then a1 to un will be considering to the value 0 for generated to the equation implies to the value a1 a2 u2 to considering an equals to 0 for the u is a linearly independent form. The maximum principle implies that f has the maximum elements will be considering and easily handling to the one form to the another form when value will be containing as a ak to the 0 of this function, and this theorem will be proof of this equation.